Now this is the car that the microwave came home in. Here is the empty trunk that the microwave was in. And now, here is Peter manhandling it all by himself, trying to get it into the house. Oh, and Pat has just joined him. Now, they are going to bring the microwave into the house. All right, let's go.
Got it? Yep.
Oops.
General Electric.
General Electric. Now, it's going in the house. It's going in the house. It is now in the house. Now you can put it down on the floor.
Okay, let's put it on the floor.
Okay, on the floor very gently. The microwave is now in the house. Also included with the instructions is some assembly needed.
No box.
The program
Where's the box?
The program will continue. Here we are. We are now back on the air after that very important advertisement that just came on, which we cut out for reasons beyond control.
And now a message from the boss.
And the boss is now the boss is sitting there laughing. What for? I don't know. We are going to pan the area that the microfilm will be going. Oh, Dunkin' Donuts. And here is the area before the microwave will be going in. Now, we will again halt production of this film
After
to
this
start.
important message from Betty Crocker.
Okay, Betty in the bottom will come on. Okay. The camera operator is now saying that we are back on the air. Now, this is the man who is going to install this microwave, and these are some of the tools that he shall be using. Now, this man is supposed to be the boss of the house, but we know he really isn't, okay? But we let him believe he is. Okay,
We
thank
saw
you.
the boss a
Come
minute
back
ago.
in a few minutes. That's going to help the so-called boss of the house to install this microwave. We will be back with you in a few more minutes. Thank you.
I'm to make sure there are no mistakes.
What do we call Maryland?
Get it on, Pat?
Okay, now.
Never mind about the camera, just get to work.
It should come straight down.
Oh, you get that?
Here, Jonathan,
Don't
take a walk.
spill the beans.
No. Back in, she didn't. Comes out. It's the way it went in.
And needless to say, part one completed. We will be back next week. See you.
On the yawn and
Oh no, it's filming right now.
Oh, no.
We are back on the air, yes? Okay. Now we have to clear this counter so we can put the new microwave on it for the sub-assembly needed. Thank you. We will be back in 5. Okay. Now, the operating table is now prepared to receive the microwave. We will now go and get the microwave. Which is up and which is down? Okay, I go in first. Here we come. Here we come.
Dancing around.
And dancing around. And now, here is the microwave with the assistant on the other end. We have now placed it over here.
Are you sure that's your grandfather?
Now we're ready to start the operation, which will eventually end up in the hole. Thank you. Okay.
That means
So it had been a while since we had a little baby.
Battery. Tape run battery.
Battery turnaround.
this really is the way to get there.
Here. Okay. Are we on the air? Caution to all entrepreneurs. When you reach this stage, the microwave may never go back together again.
Say, oh my God, what are they doing?
Oh my God, what are they doing? Come on, everybody. Put it right in front of their feet. Okay.
Oh my God, what are they doing?
All right.
And Grandmama
Permanent
wants you to have a
station.
microwave.
Dad, do all this one and just
Oh, this
Yeah.
is
put it in
exciting.
the box.
Okay, we will now pause for a 5-minute break and have a cup of coffee. Thank you.
Or whatever.
Are you taping this so that
No, get it here.
you can give it to Dan?
Put it.
Video on how to
they've
install
got
your...
oh, let's see. Just for the heck of it.
Yeah, he'll
They've
have
got
the
a
full
temp-
tape.
Then
Did you bring
You didn't pay that with your 300.
I didn't have a bring cigar with me.
Oh.
Oh, now that's not legal now. You gotta bring that back. There's always to it. You're supposed to take care of that
Well,
with the
that's what I
quarters.
told him, but he didn't listen to me. No,
Well, fill your pockets up.
No, he still has to bring it to the bank and deposit it.
The grill's right
We
here.
did already.
Oh, you did?
Yep, you're right. You wait a minute now. We'll pick you up here in no time.
Dad can't do his play-by-play lines.
No, it's gotta go.
Indirect. I know.
God, that's funny.
No.
And here's Dad installing the,
And here is my assistant.
yeah. These are the tools that I will be using.
Me and my assistant are now.
Yeah, Larry Lee's at work. Get a little Vaseline.
Yeah.
There's some in there.
Go get the Vaseline out. Remember, you will have children.
There's,
Okay.
right next to Dan's Living Center there,
Yeah,
that,
we went.
that tent there.
It's got all wooden.
That's 2
Yeah.
inches down, cut right down the hole. Set it at the top of the hole. It's 2
Look at
inches.
Jenny's catalog. Jenny's catalog doesn't
Cut that off.
Are you ready?
No wonder it's windy.
Welcome back to your home innovator.
Oh, that's next door.
As we said a few minutes ago,
Larry Lee.
when we started this job, we needed the tool.
Use your French
Okay.
accent.
Now, voila! We get this far.
So when
You
you go-
see, the case is now in the wall. To get to that point, not to scare off these so-called home mechanics, we started about 5 hours ago, as I say again, with this tool catch. Then we ran out of tools, and we went and got some reserves. Reserve toolbox. Then we ran out of tools in that one, and we got some more
I can
tools.
fix the door.
Oh,
Breaking the action.
breaking the...
started?
Okay, we started off with this body and this body. And we ended up having to get another body. Now, if you think that you can put one microwave oven on the wall under a cabinet with one man only, you are sadly mistaken.
I guarantee.
I go, okay, now,
I need a fillet.
we have come to this point. We are now ready to slip the guts back in. That holds the action because the biscuits are going to go in the oven. The biscuits are in the oven? Yes? Yes.
Julie's like,
What?
here, take them.
Two. Yes, the biscuits are in the oven. Right, Cookie?
Barb, say
Hey, this is
Cut, cut.
here with this thing because Mother is getting impatient. Are we on the air?
Yes.
We are on the air. Now, number 1 and number 3 body will now pick up microwave. See? We pick up microwave, we come around the side.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna have to do the twist.
Hey, look, we do the twist here. And very gently. No, we can do that afterwards.
Don't need the cord.
Now we raise it up and slide it in, we hope. Oh, there's the track right there.
Speak off the tongue again.
Oh, yeah.
Pat!
And it should go in. It's
Pat!
got to go in a little further.
Not
You
tell
wait a
them
minute.
how it's cooked.
Wait a minute, we need a screwdriver here. Okay, she's starting inside here.
I dare you turn it. Okay.
There you go.
That's great.
You get something.
Mom,
Okay, now we can sponge.
Mom turns her back.
Okay.
Tongue
when
again.
you're done, I'll turn around.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't.
No.
Tongue again.
No, you did.
Those ones screwed him out of there?
Wow.
Harold is like,
Wow.
God.
There's a dog is gone. White dog.
Oh, God.
I think we have got it in the hole. Is it in?
I haven't been on film on that.
That's right, Harold wants to get on that film.
Number 4 boy in there.
Look. Need more assistance. Oh, there's the quality control.
That's right.
Now Charlie Chaplin, he can go back there and do his high BM commercial. Now I need a Phillips screwdriver, something you don't drink but you use in your hand. You get the Phillips screwdriver? What?
Back in your pouch, should be. You pray through your Il voulait y aller lui tout.
Catch that chicken. Watch it there, son. There's something hot over here. Let me have the screwdriver.
Sean would go to any lengths to get on film. No.
Something tells me that this, okay, is meant to get back here. Okay, let's put the bottom in. Those feet. It's riding on that rail.
Dad.
I don't know what that one in the top left hand corner means at all.
Oh my God, he's gonna go into it.
Before they put it up.
They forgot.
What did you guys forget? You guys speak up. Bottom cover.
This is your weekend home innovators. Dairy homeowner.
I don't think you plan on making money from this either. Gary, on the front, right there in the middle. No, down where the black, there you go. There's a great big smudge on that.
We are now back on the air. As you can see, number 3 helper is cleaning up the front of the microwave.
Your French is going bad
My
there.
French is going to slip right back into the English. Let me caution you. Do not start this job when you are 1 hour away from eating supper,
Yeah,
because your supper will be late.
like 3 hours
The
late.
beans may be cold.
That's why you stick it in
So
the
now we
microwave.
close off this deal and say, happy birthday, Mama. Your microwave is in.
Happy anniversary! Happy anniversary!
Well, happy birthday, anniversary. The birthday, anniversary is the birthday of when you get married, right?
No.
We.
It's not a birthday.
Let's not stick to these semantics. Let's call it what it may be. C'est bon? Okay. C'est garanti?
Yeah, but see what you gotta do. You gotta start 1 hour before dinner, because everything's cold. And then you test
Oh, that's right. You can
Yeah.
test it in the microwave. Try it. Hey, this guy is right on the head.
Right, but in order to do that, she has to empty it out of that pot and put it in one that'll go in the microwave.
Oh, emptying out of the pot is no problem. You just take pot and turn upside down. C'est bon? And this will end today's episode on how not to install a microwave oven.
How about some applause?
Yay!
Mama, she come in the picture.
That's right.
And yes, we do have a few spare parts left over. Like the doctor who could not find his tools. I found all my tools, but I find some parts left over that did not go back in.
Harry Homemaker. Susie Homemaker.
And the thing looking at us is known as Sony.
Yeah.
Put it to work
Ozzie
for
and
Sony.
Harriet?
Yeah.
Ozzie and Harriet?
Ozzie and Harriet? Oh,
1980.
Ozzie and Harriet never attempted anything like this.
Fish, chicken. You know what?
We'll see.
You can cook a whole meal with that rack. That dog and Carol, everything in there.
I see, I know you thought you put it in the middle.
Kill.
The beans are ready at last.
Earl? Here it is. Here's my microwave. The one I wanted. See what a good choice I have, it all blends in. Very good. That's enough. Go away.
Gonna brag some more.
Terry. Terry, I can't remember about it. Tomorrow we cook.
Nicholas?
You don't have time tonight.
Push his weight down somewhere in there.
Yeah.
Have a seat.
I wrote down what it was when I banked it.
You promise not to drop anything on the floor. I'll let you.